Olaf. Ah, you're dirty. You rolling around and stuff? Oh, just leave me alone. I'm trying to eat. Oh, Bo. Big moose goat. Alright, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to go ahead and start collecting some of the honey out of the hives over there. So let's go ahead and get everything all set and fired up here, and we'll get over there and start pulling some frames and getting some honey. All right, got some organic material in there. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these frames out here. And we're gonna use this box just for transportation. So we're basically gonna move the frames out of there and put them in there. And then we're gonna replace them with these frames here. That way they can keep on going. All right, so we'll take the top off. So this is the one that I put on last time. You can already see they're already building it up really good. But we want this one right here, which we know is full. Sucker is so heavy. That's just chock full of honey. Oh, that delicious honey. Throw some more frames in. The other half of that was stuck on the inside. All right, you can see all the bees are down in there. There's that hunk right there. Big old hunk. All right, let's go ahead and finish topping this off with the rest of the frames. And I got one more. All right. So now that I got all those new frames in there, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one that's almost filling up back on top. That way I can rotate them. So next time I come out here, I'll go ahead and grab the top one. It'll be easier. I won't have to go down, and I'll grab the top one out of here, and then we'll get going with that one. All right, so I got that one back on there. Let's go ahead and get these guys out of the way, and we'll put the tops and cover back on. Hey, can I try some honey? Olaf, you better be careful. You're gonna get stung out here. Yeah, I've got stung before. What are you doing? Are you clearing the path? You clearing up all the weeds out here? Yeah, and they're delicious. Not as delicious as that honey, though. Wonder if Olaf would want that little piece of honey with the honeycomb. Let's see. Here, Olaf. Look what I got. Look at this, Obo. Hang on a second, I'm eating a pricker bush. Yeah, you are too. Here, look at this. Look at this. What's that? Oh, honey. Oh, it's so good. It's so delicious. Oh my God, it's like chewing gum, but honey. Is that good, Obo? You like honey? You like honey? Yeah, it's delicious. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wait, is there any more? All right, let's get the top on here. All right, so we got the honey frames out, and we moved the other ones that'll be ready in a week or so up top here, and we got all new ones here so they can start building on that. And actually, once I get done with those, spinning them and getting the honey out of them, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a third one on top of here, and it'll be good because it'll already be set. They'll have the wax all set out, so they just gotta pretty much fill it up with honey again. So we're all set here.
Why are you gonna put the camera in my face? Got any more honey?
All right, so here was the empty case that I filled up with all the honey, all the honey frames. So let's go ahead and we'll get these frames back to the house. We'll go ahead and we'll use the electric hot knife on it and uncap them, and then we'll get them into the to the spinner and start getting our honey.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.